So what is a fissure sealant and how is it carried out? Your child's tooth has a series of grooves and pits, or fissures, and in contact with sugar, these can develop holes or cavities. Your dentist, hygienist, or dental therapist will protect the tooth with a fissure sealant. First, etching the tooth to make it sticky. Then, painting a sealant on the biting surface of the tooth to cover the pits and fissures. And then finally, making it set hard with a high intensity light, leaving the fissure sealant in place. And it's as simple as that. The fissure sealant is a layer of protection for your child's tooth, making it more likely to stay healthy and strong.